What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Julius back again. As today you can see, I'm trying to tour this beautiful forest just to get in a quick run. As normally you get to breathe, pure oxygen, not something that is, tampered with. It's a beautiful place. I think try to find places I could just basically run in the forest. This is really good. Good for your breath. I think, let me try to pass here. Beautiful, beautiful. Trains the muscle so that not all the time you're somewhere that the oxygen isn't that good. I'm trying to connect. Should I jump here? Don't slide on me. Good. Beautiful oxygen. Find new places whereby you can, run, take a run or something. This is beautiful right here. It's getting on to me, but it is what it is. We're going to do a few hill runs, then we see from there. I love this place. This is beautiful. Maybe I'll do some hill runs today. This looks lovely. I'll do that. So normally they put bike roads. Those that do mountain biking, they get through here. Designated areas for biking. Pretty good. All right, I'll do some hill runs on here just to feel good. It's a beautiful day. Get out, do something, exercise, keep your heart pumping, give it more work to work so that you can have enough. You can help it to grow and have enough power as you grow old. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let me set you guys here. I want to do some hill runs, but all right, I'm going to start my speed drills. Then after that, I'll do maybe like 360s or 460, depending on how I feel. So today the weather isn't that great. It's really a little bit colder, so if you're sprinting, it's a bit harder on yourself. But we shall try to do what we can today, because I didn't want to leave this day alone. I wasn't feeling that great to start warming up, but then I felt like maybe it's time to do something. So I decided to come out here, try to do something. So far it's pretty good. So now I'm going to use this to do my speed drills. stretched up a bit. I usually start with walks, then later we go through it as it goes by. Alright guys, done my workout, feeling great. Was a little bit tough, but of course not tough. Muscles aren't feeling right, but I'm glad I did the exercise. I'm going to go home, take a shower, because now all my stress is at bay. Alright, how do you deal with stress? How do I overcome it? For me, my issue is when I feel like I'm stressed out, I just get out, you know, in the forest, go out to do a run, just to reduce my stress out. Trust me, if you're enclosed, if you're stressed, you're feeling stressed and you're enclosed in a single place, let's say you're in the house, you're confined in that environment. So you won't get out, your emotions won't get out that easy. But once you get out of the house, you know, take a walk, because now the world is so big and trust me, the stress can't contain you from there. Think positive and be happy. Stay blessed. Peace.